to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is Blanca, Estela, if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing my second Halloween look of the year. So it's gonna be like the first one. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, so most of it is gonna be fast forward with not me talking. Sorry. So I already did my eye makeup. I didn't want to make something dramatic and stuff, just something simple and fast, because it is going to be kind of like a scary look. Not scary, but it's going to have blood. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Princess from Hell look. We're going to see how that comes out. I did get a bunch of makeup from Walmart. So yeah, actually on the eyes though, I did use ColourPop's new Hocus Pocus Gather Round Sisters palette. So this is what I used on the eyes today. I put these three on my lid, and I also popped a little bit of that on the lid as well. So that's what I did to the eyes. And then for lashes, I did use where's the box? I used Kiss Lashes, the same Kiss Lashes that I used in my last tutorial. These ones right here. So I use the same lashes. Before I do my face makeup, I do have to add the scars that I'm going to be applying and stuff. I didn't prime it. I moisturized my face using my Jelly Pop by e.l.f. And I'm just going to go ahead and start. I am going to be wearing this crown. I'm going to be wearing a wig, but I'm wearing this on top. I got this also at Walmart. It's super cute. I'm also going to be putting this on, some more gems. This is from Wet n Wild. And I just have like some scars that I'm going to apply, and then just see how that looks. And then I'm going to do my rest of the makeup just to see how that looks. It's just going to be something I thought of when I was at Walmart looking at the Halloween makeup. So I'm going to start off by applying this one. I'm just gonna apply this one right here, and then I did get fake bullet holes. I'm gonna put those on my face as well. And then I got some tattoos, but I don't know if I'm gonna use these. At first I wanted to add this on my forehead, but I'm gonna be applying this to my forehead, and I don't have a big ass forehead like that, so I decided to put it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I did wash my face, so it is clean. I did add some moisturizer, but it's already soaked in. So I think I'm going to start off with the latex. I need a little napkin because I don't want to make a big ass mess. And then the kits did come with little brushes, so I'm going to be using this to apply the latex. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the tip of the latex so I won't make so much of a mess. And then I'm going to apply some latex to this first. And then I'll apply it on here. And as I need it, I'll apply latex to my skin. See right here. Yeah, right there. Okay. And I'm going to make everything blend in and look realistic in a way with makeup. So we'll see how that looks. And yeah, okay. So I'm going to get some liquid latex with the brush. You want to make sure you want to put latex on the edges as well, because that's where it normally tends to lift. Just going to hold it in place a little bit just to make sure that it stays. See, like the corners right there are kind of lifting, so I'm going to get whatever is left on the brush and just lift it and just apply more. So this is what I have so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation. I was going to add primer. So I'm going to be using the No Pore Palm Primer. Sorry for talking this way, but I really waiting for these to completely dry before they're put. See what I mean? Hello you guys, voiceover Blanca here. So I did decide to take off that cheek piece just because it did not want to stick at all and it kept falling off and I got so frustrated. So I did take it off. That's why I don't have it on the rest of the video. So just a little disclaimer. And yeah. Okay, so back to the video. So this is the final look right here. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, let me know if you guys like it. Give me ideas for next year. And yeah, let me know if you recreate it. Tag me. Follow me on my socials and tag me, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.